Hello and welcome back to my channel. I realise now that this video might be very short, however it might be good, because as I feel this bag, I think there's like 3 palettes in here and that's all. Today I will be doing an unboxing video and I will be showing you guys what I received in the Revolutions mystery box. So if you would like to see what I got, just keep on watching. Okay, so I got this bag with my Revolution order. I had to order a couple of things and I actually saw Revolution's post on Instagram saying free makeup, anyone? Get £25 worth of makeup for free when you spend over £30. That's what I decided to do. I added everything to my cart and it added up to like £25 I think, so I thought, you know what, £5, I can spend that. And I got the mystery box. It's very simple, it's like a Ziploc bag and I can already see I'll have one of those palettes, so it'll be definitely going to you guys. Ooh, I'm excited. The first thing I see is the Strobe Lighting Highlighter palette. I will open it. Ooh, no, I don't have this one. Sorry if I'm blinding you. I'll try not to. These are highlighters. The first one is like an iridescent white with green. Looks really good. The middle one is gold and the last one is like a pinky with a frosty finish. I might put this in a giveaway. Hold on, let me clean it for you. There's also a gradient highlighter and I assume that this side is a highlighter and this is a blush or a bronzer. This is a dupe of Kevin Kwan gradient thing. It looks very nice actually, quite dark, but it could either be used as a bronzer for a very fair skin or a nice blush for like a medium to dark skin. That will go in a giveaway as well. A highlighter, there's a lot of highlighters. I don't actually own this, but again I might throw this in a giveaway. This is Revolution Sun Kiss Ice Kiss highlighter, and essentially this is a dupe of Jeffree Star Big Pan highlighters, and this one dupes Ice Cold, I think. It's a icy gold. I remember swatching it endless amount of time in Superdrug and it does look really nice. It's very creamy and it is blinding, so just give it to you guys. The one thing that I might keep to myself is this Revolution powder contouring palette, purely because I'm on a hunt for a good bronzer / contour palette. I actually don't have a proper contour palette from a drugstore brand. This looks quite promising. I recently bought the Revolution Pro contouring palette and I got the cool one. It's still a little too warm. The shades seem to be really good. This could be used as a normal powder. If you're very fair, you could even bronze up with this or this. These are nice and cool. These are slightly warmer. You've got a banana shade in there and I kind of want to try it out, you know. I want to try it out. I've never had a Revolution contour palette, I think, and this would be a good one to try out. I need to smell it because I've noticed that Revolution does not add any scent, which I kind of like. They usually smell like a fresh pair of shoes, or in this case it smells like, you know, when you buy those inflatable rings or beds to like go swimming with. That's what it smells like. That plasticky, but not like that soft plastic that the inflatable stuff is made out of. I like that smell. So I'm going to keep this. Really like the shade, and since I'm keeping it, I might as well swatch it. That's nice and cool. Hold on, let me get a bronzer. Hopefully you can see on my fingers or when I swatch it on my arm, you can clearly see the difference in tones. This is a contour, this is a bronzer, and that's what I need. Actually, I'm going to take that Revolution Pro palette and compare it to this. So this is what I got the other day, and it's Revolution Pro 4K bronzer palette in cool. And I thought it'll be like a bronzer palette, but with cool shades as well, so like a contour palette. No, it's just a bronzer palette, but I guess maybe they do have more orangey one. And if I take the first shade and the second shade, it's like an in-between, but it's definitely not as cool as this one from the contour palette I received today. If I do like it, I might end up buying one more and throwing it in there for you guys as well. What I want to do is, where's my phone? What I want to do is actually add up the costs of all these products and stuff, because Revolution did claim that the bag will be worth more than 25, like around £25. Revolution Strobing Lighting Highlighter Palette, £8. Revolution Gradient Highlighter, the exact same shade, is £4 on Revolution's website. It looks a lot more peachy on the picture. Revolution Sun Kiss Highlighter. This is currently on offer for £2.50. It is usually £5. Revolution Ultra Pro HD Powder Contour. This currently is on 70% off on Revolution. Currently you can get this palette for £2.40. Originally it is £8. So in conclusion, all of my mystery box items originally cost £25. However, Sunkiss highlighter at the moment, it is half price, £2.50. And the contour palette, it is on offer for 70% off and costs £2.40. Therefore, if I was to buy all of these items separately right now, it would cost me £16.90. Let that sink in. So I'm not at all disappointed in what I got. The strobe lighting palette has very nice, interesting shades in there. The highlighter, which kind of looks like a blush, seems very, very nice. The colour is very nice, and I think a gem in this giveaway is this highlighter. I don't know, do I want to turn this into a giveaway? The prices aren't that great. I might just give it to a women's shelter. Go away. What do you think, guys? Would you want these products? If you do, let me know and I will get in touch with you. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.